discussion, nakausap niyo ba si President para ba?
Tungkol saan?
Tungkol dito sir sa budget, nung sa schedule?
Hindi eh. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, si Senator Gatchalian ang kausap ni Executive Secretary Ramos.
What?
Tungkol sa mga schedules. Pero sa amin, kami nila Senator Sherwin, no? Talagang hindi namin kakayanin yung today na mag-ratify because ayoko nung summary. Ayoko ng blind ratification katulad na nangyari last year. As far as I'm concerned, basta while I'm Senate President, gusto ko malinaw. Ang ira-ratify namin, malinaw na. Almost enrolled copy or enrolled copy na papuntang Presidente.
What are the chances?
Kaya para malinis yun at walang insertion whatsoever.
So gusto wala sir coordination directly with the President as to the schedule and talagang yung signing niya?
Wala ako, I have no direct
What are the chances na
coordination with the President except that our Chairman of Finance and the Executive Secretary.
So you will ratify it on the 29th. What are the chances the President can sign it on the 30th or 31st?
If they have started reviewing it from now up to that time, there is a possibility, but I doubt it. I doubt it. Perhaps somewhere like sometime like the first week of January would be ideal na na-review na nila yun.
So possible reenacted for a few days, ganon?
Yeah, kung ganun lang naman, walang problema because di ba the last time, hindi pa kaming 3 months na reenacted.
Walang masamang implication yun, SP.
Wala akong a few days, I don't know, a few days, even a week or so.
So,
Walang problema yun.
malabong mapirmahan ng 30-31 yan, SP, kung 29 yung matatapos.
May posibilidad, why not? If they have started reviewing it already. If the President has started, or the office of the President, hindi himself, but the office of the President, has started reviewing it since the time that we were tackling it in the BICAM and after the BICAM. Tulad ngayon, nag-printing na. Malamang na nakikita na ng Malacanang ngayon ano yung nangyayari doon sa napag-aprubahan So if they have started reviewing and then on the 29th we ratify an enrolled bill, there is a possibility. 30 or 31. Kung na-review na nila. Pero kung hindi pa kompleto, talagang possibly first week of January.
Was there a suggestion from the Senate na, sir, review nyo na by now para wala ganon?
Walang ganun pag-uusap. Wala kaming direct pag-uusap.
Sir, pero last na to, extension
Yung
Oo.
29.
Yung 29. Hindi na talaga siya pwede.
Sir, hindi.
Actually, pwede talaga ngayon kung tutusin. Ako lang ang may ayaw. And of course, most of the members of the majority, sinusuportahan ako na gusto ko enrolled copy ang ira-ratify namin. Sigurado na yung laman at hindi kayang singitan na kahit ano.
Sir, hindi problema yung quorum sa 29.
Hindi, because suspended kami. Kung sino ang sumagot sa roll call noong 17, present lahat yun today in the 29th. That's parliamentary strategy.
Unless cost question.
Oh yes, unless quorum is questioned. But I understand that most of my colleagues will be here on the 29th.
Sir, will there be
May usapan talagang...
Nag-attendance check kayo niyan, SP?
Kasi dapat ngayon Pero nung sinabi namin na hindi pwede ngayon, pwede ba sa 29 na raw karamihan sa kanila? Oh, sure.
Walang mag-out of the country, SP, mga senator.
Meron mga out of the country, pero I'm sure we'll be having more than 13 or 13 members of the Senate on the 29.
SP, sir, interesado din ba kayo malaman kung ano naman ng Cabral files? Allegedly merong na-submit kay Congressman Reviste.
Si Senator Lacson na tanongin nyo dyan dahil before that came about, may mga alam na si Senator Lacson dyan at may mga natanggap na siya galing sa quarters ni Yusek Cabral. So, siya ang tanongin nyo dyan.
Mga senators daw nandoon sir sa file. Nandoon daw maraming mga senador.
I don't know. Better ask Senator Lacson. Siya ang kausap nung quarters ni Cabral. Many days ago pa, before all this.
SP,
Sir, pwede din siyang gawin parte ng investigasyon ng Blue Ribbon Committee?
Gamitin as evidence.
I don't know. That's hindi ko alam kung anong ano naman kung ano na